Yes. So my name, as you know, is Dr. Shreya Kate Pedgaonkar. I recently got married this January, and my husband's name is Rohan Pedgaonkar. He is into construction business. I was born in Nagpur, and I'm 25 years old. My hobbies include dancing. I love to dance. I love to watch movies and TV series. And my recently found love for gardening. I love gardening these days. So it is very soothing. Everyone should try it. My activities and topics of interest are I am very interested in the whole science of psychology and behavioral management. I am also trying to learn a lot about it. I am deeply involved in digital marketing and I love traveling. Whenever I get time, I just go somewhere. So please next slide. Next slide, please. Yeah, so about my business, as you all know, I am a dentist. My clinic's name is Dental Care Multi-Speciality Clinic. It is located besides Porto Gomez Hotel, Daga Layout. And my years in business, I have been practicing since last 3 years, but I have my own business or clinic since last 2 years, or you can say 1.5 years. So basically, my business description is a dentist is a doctor for your teeth. That is very clear and very basic. So in our clinic we cater all types of dental problems, mostly the very basic problems like root canal treatments and tooth extractions, professional dental cleaning, and also more complex problems like surgeries and traumatic injuries, tooth fractures, jaw fractures, and jaw pain, which is a very common problem. But generally, dentistry and dental pain is neglected to a very large extent. So, one of my aims is also creating awareness, and we have a very good team of consultants who are always available. Whenever there is a complex problem, we refer a consultant and plan the treatment accordingly. Most importantly, we have aesthetic treatments and teeth straightening treatment, what we call as braces, because sometimes if our teeth are not aesthetic, it can play with our confidence and our confidence level goes down, which nobody needs. And with a little treatment, you can make your entire life better and obviously smile better and keep smiling. Next slide, please. One back. Yeah, okay. My previous job experiences, I basically worked in government dental college for 1 year during my internship year. And after that, to get some clinical experience, I worked with a private dentist. It really helped me a lot as college life and private life are two completely different things. I think many of you can relate with me on that. My educational qualification is basically I am an undergraduate in dentistry, that is Bachelor in Dental Surgery. I am also pursuing diploma in dental implantology from Mumbai, which was supposed to get over this year, but because of pandemic, it is indefinitely extended. I am also pursuing MA in clinical psychology from IGNOU Open University, and I'm currently in my second year. So talking about my skills, my forte is basically general dentistry. As I said, dental fillings, root canal treatments, dental cleaning, etc. And it is, as I said, the most neglected part of dentistry. Like nobody prefers to go to a dentist unless they have some kind of pain or they cannot eat or some kind of food is getting stuck in their mouth. So I want to just create awareness that if you avoid these problems at a very early stage, pain might never even start. So that is my forte. Also, I love to counsel. I love to counsel people. Like my future profession might be counseling. That's why I am pursuing MA in psychology. Right now, I am not qualified to do it, so I cannot do it professionally. So I try to help my friends and family all the time. Next slide, please. So my circle of influence is not very big as of now, as I've started working just 3 years back. Sampark is one of my milestone of my circle of influence, so I'm very happy about it. I'm a member of Gondwana Club Nagpur, from which I try to get work and I try to help them as well. And as I said, I try to get work from digital marketing, and this Sampark is my third platform. I'm also not a part of any communities, neighborhoods, resident industrials or commercials. Next slide, please. So about the goals, I think that is the most important thing. Whenever you start your work, you have some goals or you have some ambitions in your mind, in which in that direction you work, you try to work in that direction. So basically, the first thing when you start a private business is networking. So the first goal I have here is I want to learn efficient networking. As sir said, giving is the first part of networking. So I want to learn it very efficiently, and I'm very new to private businesses. Before this, I've always worked under someone. So that is my first goal. Also, my second goal is I want to promote dental health, and I want to promote my dental center and not as a clinic, because as I said, dental awareness is lacking to a
श्रेया जी,
great extent. Yes.
sorry to interrupt you. आपका टाइम हो गया, तो you have 30 seconds to wrap up your
Okay, I'll just wrap it up. Yeah. So that's what I said. I want to create awareness. Secondly, obviously, growth is part of every private business. So I wish to have more branches. Also, this most importantly, I want to start a dental assistant training program in affiliation with any university or government scheme. So if anyone can help me in that, in those areas, that will be very helpful. I'm also open for consultations in different hospitals, in Prism Hospital and Amaya Hospital, and I am available for consultation in any areas that are concerned with head, neck, and face, and not only your teeth. So feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you so much.
thank you very much, Shreya
Thank
ji.
you. Yes.